How to switch Gmail accounts on Google Chrome. So if you want to switch the accounts on Google Chrome, then what you have to do is open up your Chrome, and then on the upper corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile, and now here you will have a sync option. Tap on sync and then turn off your sync. Now after turning your sync off, then you will have a option which says sign out and turn off sync. Tap on that, and here you will have a sign out and turn off sync. And if you want to clear your data, you can simply tap on here, but if you don't want to, you have your choice. And after that you can tap on continue. After doing that, you will have turn on sync option on the first, and tap that, and now you can choose your Google account, the account which you want to switch. And after choosing that account, tap on yes, I am in, which is on the bottom right corner, and here you can choose keep my data separate, or you can combine. And after that, tap on continue. Now you can see that I have changed my Gmail ID on Chrome, so I have switched back to another account. So that's it guys, that's how you switch back to another account on your Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.